question for this presentation is, can we operate our company entirely from India? So in this case, the person who is asking this question is from India, but I guess this question will apply to any other country where a foreign promoter is located. Can the company be entirely operated from overseas with no office or employees in Singapore? And can you carry out all the transactions related to your company remotely from overseas? So let's have a look on these questions. And before we begin, let's understand one important statistics. That is, every year few thousand companies are registered in Singapore which operate completely remotely. So many foreign promoters incorporate company in Singapore every year, and majority of these companies use a registered address facility or a virtual office facility provided by the corporate secretarial provider. They typically don't tend to have any employees in Singapore, and all their staff is located in their home country, and they will carry out necessary transactions from the home country. Now, one key thing to note here is majority of these companies tend to be kind of a secondary structure to the main business of the entrepreneur in his home country. So let's first understand what does law require about Singapore Company Incorporation. As you know, to incorporate a company, you need one local director, one company secretary, one shareholder, and a registered address. So this is what is required to register a company and to operate the company in Singapore. So nowhere it says that there is any compulsion to have a specific office space, nor there is any compulsion to recruit employees, nor there is any compulsion to have any specific setup. So what does that exactly means? That means you can operate your operations completely remotely. So you can be located in your home country. You don't have to really visit Singapore, or you don't have to hire employees in Singapore. And you can execute all these transactions. Moreover, today in the electronic era, it is quite possible to execute all these transactions on email, fax, and various internet banking facilities. Internet banking is one important factor which enables this, because sitting in your home country, you can access the bank account of your company and carry out virtually all possible transactions without contacting anybody in the bank. So as a summary, many foreigner promoted companies in Singapore are operated completely remotely. They don't recruit any employees. They don't have any setup in Singapore. They only subscribe to the minimum services those are required under the law from the corporate secretarial provider, and they will carry out all the relevant transactions remotely.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.